If you're tired of overpacking or looking like you dressed in the dark while you're on vacation, I am about to fix that with 9 pieces of clothing and one very simple grid. Packing does not need to be dramatic. It does not need to involve 3 outfit changes per day or a suitcase full of just in case. It needs a system. Hi, I'm Jess, and this is a 3x3 packing method. 9 clothing pieces, all laid out in a grid so everything works together. This is for the person who wants to look put together without spending their entire trip thinking about what to wear. It's comfortable, practical, and slightly elevated. Here's how it works. You need 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 layering pieces. Every shirt must work with every bottom. Every layer must work with every shirt. If something only works in one specific situation, it does not make the trip. This is just a general example. If you're going somewhere warm, swap out the heavier things for something more lightweight. If you're going somewhere cold, bring warmer clothes.
Hey, you get tired, pull over. You get hungry, eat something.
Top number 1, a plain white tee. Clean, classic, and minimal. No logo screaming for attention. It works under everything and with everything. Top number 2 is a black tee. Sharp, doesn't show stains, and slightly more intentional. And number 3, a green tee, or navy, or whatever color works for you. The point is one grounded color that adds depth without turning you into a tropical drink. Bottom number 1, a lightweight pair of gray golf pants. They stretch and breathe, and they do not wrinkle if you look at them wrong. They can pass for dressed up while feeling like you're wearing athletic wear. Bottom number 2, brown leather colored shorts with an updated cargo look. The idea is structured, not sloppy, functional without looking like you're about to hike through the wilderness, and quick drying. And bottom number 3, button fly jeans. Classic and reliable, basically the backbone of civilization. I like 501s from Levi's. And the layering pieces. Layer number 1, a navy zip hoodie. Perfect for flights, cool evenings, and mornings that start with coffee and end with cocktails. If it's in good condition, it gives Dr. Robbie vibes. Layer number 2, a white button-down shirt. Choose a mid-weight cotton or a lightweight Oxford. Structured enough to wear solo for a night out, casual enough to leave open over a t-shirt. And number 3, a knit hoodie sweater. A little more refined, softer lines, the piece that makes you look good but without trying too hard. Shoe discipline is critical, especially if you have big feet. Black Chuck Taylors for walking and casual options. Leather sneakers that can double as dress shoes. Clean, minimal, no neon soles. These carry you through dinner without making you look like you borrowed someone else's wardrobe. And sandals, the slip-on kind, for quick exits, beach runs, or stepping outside without lacing up like it's a performance. 3 shoes, you do not need any more. Honestly, you could probably get away with the leather sneakers and the sandals. Bring swim trunks or a suit that can double as shorts. Efficiency matters. Bring sleep shorts because your daytime clothes deserve a break, and you do not want to reenact the earthquake scene from Knocked Up.
When will it be light out? When will it be light out?
Hey, did anybody turn off the gas?
I didn't do it.
Oh, mother.
Bring enough socks and underwear to avoid doing emergency sink laundry on day 2. We pack smart, not recklessly. A ball cap for sun and bad hair days, a solid pair of sunglasses, a watch that looks good but does not scream, "Please rob me," a lightweight backpack you can use as a day bag, and sunscreen because peeling shoulders ruin every look. Now you're going to lay everything out in this specific grid. Once you lay everything out, take a picture of the grid. You will not remember what you planned. You think you will, but you will not. All right, let's put this all together and cue the montage. Now, to make this method work, you'll need to do a few things. Hang your clothes up immediately when you arrive, and when you're not wearing them. Airflow fixes most sins and prevents wrinkles. Wear your bulkiest clothes on the plane, and think layers so you'll stay comfortable. Bring a stain stick remover pen and fabric refresher spray, or make your own spray with 1 part cheap vodka and 1 part distilled water. Yes, really, it works. I call it Fabooze. Or you can also plan to do laundry depending on the length of your trip and your ability to eat without spilling on your clothes. When everything works together, getting dressed takes seconds. You're not reinventing yourself. You're just packing like someone who's been outside before. That is a 3x3 packing method. 9 core pieces, multiple options, 0 chaos. If this made packing easier, please give this video a like. If you want more simple systems that make travel smoother and smarter, hit subscribe. And next time you travel, lay out the grid, take the picture, and let the system do the work. Thanks for watching.